Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch review. Major markets in Asia Pacific like Australia and Hong Kong were closed during the Christmas holidays. Investors have been worried by the rise in coronavirus cases in Japan and China. Omicron fears weigh heavily on Asia stocks and crude oil. The early trade in Monday's stock market fell for most of the Gulf region. European stocks slightly higher in holiday trade. The U.S. retail sector saw an 8.5% increase in sales during the holiday shopping season. Stocks in Asia Pacific were mixed Monday, with many major markets closing for holidays. Closed mixed in China, the Shanghai composite dropped fractionally to 3,615.97 and the Shenzhen part rose slightly to 14,715.65. Elsewhere, Japan's Nikkei 225 index fell 0.3% to 28,676.46. The Topix index lost 0.45% to 1,977.90. The Japanese yen traded at $112.446, a level that is weaker than the greenback's levels below 114. South Korea's Kospi declined 0.43% to close near 2,999.55. The Gulf stock markets fell on Monday morning, with the Saudi index leading the way. MSCI's Asia-Pacific Broadest Index, which is not based on Japan, traded at 0.04% above its previous record. Oil prices dropped in the afternoon Asia trading hours on Monday. International benchmark Brent crude futures fell 0.29% to $75.92 per barrel. U.S. crude futures dropped 1.34% to $72.80 per barrel. European markets traded slightly higher in Monday's holiday thin session. Many markets are still closed for Christmas celebrations. In morning deals, the German DAX and France's CAC 40 rose 0.1%, each while Spain's IBEX was 0.4% higher. Market players are trying to manage concerns over coronavirus restrictions as well as tighter central banking policy. There have been signs that the heavily mutationated Omicron strain, which is more mild than other variants of the virus like Delta, has also been confusing them. Please note, both the UK and Ireland markets will be closed on Monday and Tuesday. The U.S. reported that retail sales increased 8.5% between November 1 and December 24, thanks to soaring e-commerce sales. According to MasterCard Spending Pulse reports, U.S. holiday shopping season e-commerce sales increased 11%, which again highlights the COVID-19 epidemic's role in changing customers' shopping habits. Segments such as electronics and jewelry saw growth. Jewelry sales grew 32%, while electronics sales climbed 16.2% from 2020 levels. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.